Detecting dishonesty in someone's facial expressions and body language can be tricky, as there's no foolproof method supported by science. However, observing deviations from a person's baseline behavior can provide clues. For instance, shallow breathing, excessive fidgeting, or an unusual stillness may indicate nervousness or discomfort associated with lying. Microexpressions can reveal true emotions that contradict spoken words, while darting eyes and reduced blinking may suggest anxiety or cognitive load. Genuine smiles engage the entire face, whereas forced smiles appear tight. Other signs include self-soothing gestures, lip pursing due to dry mouths, and changes in skin tone or sweating. Additionally, head movements, like shaking while speaking, may signal deceit. It's important to consider these behaviors within the context of individual differences and anxiety levels.